Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use myQ Garage app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got a myQ Garage and you're wondering how to use the app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to use the myQ Garage app, let's first log on to the app. There's a bunch of different settings here, but the most simple one is that once you're on the app, you have your devices on the homepage, so you can click on them to open and close different devices. You have the history tab where you can see what was open and closed. I don't really use the discover and shop tab because that's more so for like buying items from myQ. But in the menu option, you have the option to actually invite people to your myQ Garage on this page here under users and credentials. You could also go ahead and set up Amazon Key, which means that Amazon delivery services can actually deliver packages into your garage as well. Now, in addition to that, if you want to go ahead and add a device, you can click in the upper right-hand corner, the gear icon from the homepage, click on add or manage devices, and simply just follow the on-screen prompts for where you want to go ahead and add a device. Other things that you can do is that you can create a schedule, you can adjust notifications, and you could also use your Apple Watch to link myQ to your Apple Watch. But with myQ, I'd say the interface is pretty self-explanatory. The main page that I use is this home page to simply open and close my garage. And then once in a while, I'll actually invite someone if I'm going out on vacation under users and credentials to actually have access to my garage as well. But let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all